Okay, here we are. We are leashed up and we've been standing around while Nicole fiddled with the camera. The sock is hidden, quote unquote, outside the front door. There's a nice stiff breeze, so I feel like she's probably going to catch that scent almost immediately after we step off the porch. No idea what you're going to do. So I'm grabbing the other sock, ignoring Pippin. Olive. Olive. Wait. All right. Wait. All right. Show the sock. Good, 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 good. Find it. Find it. Good. Good girl. Good girl. Good. Yes. Good girl. Find it. Good. Good girl! What a good girl! Yay! Oh, what a good girl! What a good girl she is! What a good girl! You did it! You did it! You did it! Yay!